Sky High Car Audio MB10. Ask and you shall receive. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know what we do here: unboxing videos, product reviews, and show coverages. Today I'd like to go over something that you've all been asking for. This, my friends, is a Sky MB10, a 10-inch mid-bass driver giving you every single ounce of performance you'd ever need. This thing's almost like a subwoofer. This Sky MB10 has a 2.5-inch voice coil. This voice coil on this mid-bass speaker is larger than some subwoofer voice coils. On top of the box, we have the model number, we have the size, 1000-watt peak power handling, a 500-watt RMS rating, 2.5-inch voice coil, and the ohm load. On the back side of the box, we can see it has a little bit more specific information: diameter, impedance, power handling, sensitivity, all that kind of stuff. But we'll get into this later in the video. On this side of the box, we have another angle of the Sky MB10. Enough talking, let's just dive right into it. Right off the bat, we're greeted by a diagram. We have the product manual. We all know what we do with these things: more trash. At last, we have what we've been waiting for. Are you fucking kidding me? I don't know how this is legally allowed to be a speaker. This is like a subwoofer. On top of the Sky MB10, we can see that we have Sky High Car Audio around the mounting ring. We can see that we have Sky High Car Audio on the dust cap. For size reference, this is a can of Coca-Cola Zero. No, this is not sponsored. This thing is just huge. I mean, this thing's almost taller than a can. Let's flip this thing over and see what we got on the bottom side. On the bottom of them over, we can get the Sky High logo. We get the peak power handling, the RMS power handling, the impedance, the voice coil size, the model number, and the size. I just can't get over how big this thing is. On the Sky MB10, we actually get some pretty nice push terminals. Let me spit some quick facts at you about this Sky MB10. It has an RMS rating of 500 watts and a peak power handling of 1000 watts. That's more than some subwoofers, guys. It has a 2.5-inch voice coil, which is also larger than some subwoofers. Now, a very common question that we get asked quite often is the frequency range. This Sky High Car Audio MB10 has a frequency range of 50 Hz to 5.5 kHz. The recommended low-pass crossover is 60 Hz. And when you purchase these, they come as a single unit. This is a ferrite motor. The motor itself weighs 68 ounces. Now, the overall diameter of the Sky MB10 is 10.27 inches, meaning from edge to edge. For this being a 10-inch, the mounting depth is actually pretty impressive. We're only looking at 4.4 inches from the bottom of the motor to the top of the mounting ring. So who are these Sky MB10s for? These things will definitely take some power with their 500-watt RMS rating, so make sure you have a 4-channel or a 2-channel that's capable of giving these things what they need. Disclaimer, these things do not come with hearing protection. These things are absolutely insane. This Sky High Car Audio MB10 is going to give you the most output from any Sky High speaker lineup. These are in stock and ready to rock today at skyhighcaraudio.com. These Sky High Car Audio MB10s are also making their ways to dealers. If you're not a dealer for Sky High, why not? I'll leave a link in the description below for you to apply at SHCAdealers.com. Customers, these are available at skyhighcaraudio.com. You can give us a call at 775-513-8199, Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The Sky High Car Audio MB10. Ask and you shall receive.